crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on today with an AliExpress haul. I picked up a few things and I want to jump right on and share with you what I picked up. So let's get started. All right, so the first thing that I want to share with you is this wooden steel rule die that I picked up. It looks like this and it creates a bat bow, and I specifically picked this bow up for Halloween. When I first saw it, I thought, oh, that is super, super cute. And you know, I'm crazy about bows, and I actually love doing Halloween projects and making boot baskets around Halloween. So I figured this would be absolutely perfect for Halloween projects. So I picked this up and it's super cute. You're gonna love it. A few other dies I picked up. I picked up this scalloped set right here. It comes with a scallop and then also a stitched, and then it has a piece, a layering piece that has just stitching, so it's really nice for layering, and then it has like a little flower in the center. I also picked up this die right here, which reads hello, and then I also picked up this nesting set of oval dies, which is pretty unique. It has a dotted stitching on the outer, and then on the inner, the layering piece has like an embossed like circle like around it 3 times, and I'll show you what it looks like, but it's really pretty. And then I picked up some pom-pom trim, and I got a bunch of it, you guys. Hopefully this is focused. I picked up orange, pink, or a light pink, and then I got purple. Maybe this is more of like a fuchsia color, but it's really, really pretty. And it was a great price. When I picked it up, it was like only 63 cents. So each little package or each color was 63 cents. So you really can't beat that. I'll leave the links in the description box below, like I always do. And I also wanted to let you know that they're getting ready to have a big sale. It's called Brands Week. So I highly suggest you fill up your cart, because a lot of the items will be at an additional discount. So I just wanted to put that out there. It's coming very soon, so definitely check that out. So yeah, I picked up this super cute pom-pom trim, and as you can see, it's smaller. And I did pick up some of the bigger pom-pom trim. A lot of ladies have been hauling pom-pom trim, and I've hauled pom-pom trim in the past, but I decided to get some more for Halloween projects. So you can see the size difference between this pom-pom trim and the big one versus the smaller one, I should say, if I can lay it flat in my hand. But so this one's super tiny, and then this one's just a little bit bigger. So I did get orange, and then I did get it in black, and then I had to get it in green, because again, I was thinking Halloween, so that's why I picked up those colors, and you get quite a bit. And I'm pretty sure it was under $1. I can't remember the price, but I'll link it in the description box below. And I especially love this little tiny pom-pom trim. I like how small it is, and I just love all the colors, and I loved the price. That was like the main thing. Super great price, and I'm sorry for the lighting. It keeps going in and out. All right, so to the bat bows. This is what the bat bow looks like right here, and I made several of them, and they are super, super cute. They're easy to make, and if you watch to the end of the video, I'll do a short tutorial on how I created these bat bows. And it's really easy to do, just using your die cut machine. So I made several, just so you could see. This is made with the like 65-pound weight cardstock, and then this is obviously glitter cardstock. It's a heavier weight cardstock, and it's a little bit harder to crease the bow, but you're able to use a bone folder and make it look cute. And again, I'll show you at the end of the video how to create these bows. Super easy. I put them on some treat boxes, and this is what it looks like. And again, I am sorry for my lighting. The sun keeps going in and out. But you see how cute that is on a treat box, and I just love that glitter. This spider web is actually another die that I did haul. I forgot to bring it down, but that's a super cute die. And then I used another die that's in my stash that says enjoy. And I think this came out really, really cute. So you can have a lot of fun with these bows. You could also put them on paper clips and dress up your bag and close it that way as well. And here's the other treat bag that I created. And I used that nesting circle scallop set that I just showed you. And I think that came out really, really pretty. So super cute. I love this bat bow, and I can't wait to play with it some more. This is what the hello looks like. It's a really nice size, and then you see the really pretty oval. I was talking about the embossing that it does. It has like the 3 layers of embossing, and then it has like the dotted stitched embossing on the bottom. Super, super cute. So I'm really loving that die set as well, and it comes with so many. So really fun. And I think that is it. Stay tuned for my quick tutorial on how to create the bat bows. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now. All right, so I'm going to show you how to create this bat bow using this bat die. Looks like this. You're going to lay it in your die cut machine. I'm using my Sizzix Big Kit today. So you're going to have your plate, your wooden die, and I'm going to take 2 pieces of glitter and just lay it on top. Put my sandwich together like this and run it through. And I'm going to move this out of the way. And voila, you're going to have your pieces. Got one right here. And these 2. Here's the other piece. And then you've got these 2 pieces right here. I already die cut it out a couple of times out of cardstock. That's the one thing about steel rule dies. You can cut out multiple layers of the bow using multiple layers of paper. I hope that made sense. All right, so I've got gray, and I got this really pretty black glitter. This is Recollections from Michaels, this glitter paper, in case you're wondering. All right, so I'm gonna move this stuff out of the way. I'm gonna grab my bone folder, and we're gonna make these bows. So you're gonna take your bow and use your bone folder and help to move the paper, bend it very carefully because it's thick glitter. This will help with creating your bow. You may need to use your fingers so you don't tear it. You're going to take a little bit of glue and pinch it down on one side, and do the same thing on this side, and just give it a pinch. Hold it there for a second, and you got this piece. And then you're going to take your bat wings, put a little glue in the center, and line it up, give it a pinch, and now that's together. You're going to take your center piece, which is this piece. I like to add a little bit of glue to the center. Hold it down for a second, and then you're going to tuck it in on this side to the back, and then the other side to the back. Add some more hot glue. Pinch it together, and voila, you've got your bat glitter bow. Really, really cute. Now I'm going to do it with the cardstock, and it's definitely easier to use the bone folder on the cardstock because it's lightweight. And this is just cardstock from Michaels, from a hot buy section. It's from that gray color stack that you can get. Definitely get it when it's on sale. But I highly recommend getting the gray stack for Halloween projects because there's tons of grays and some darker grays, and I think even black. And I'm going to take this piece right here and do the same thing. And see how fast it goes putting it together. Pinch it together. I'm going to go ahead and take a black glitter instead of the gray and switch it up. Hold it down, pinch it back on both sides. Just kind of train the paper so that it's easy to glue down, and just smash it together, and there you go. You've got another cute bat. And then what you want to do is you take your treat box that you've made, and then you can just stick it on a treat box. How super cute would that be? Something like that. I started this one right here, and you could, you know, stick it on like that. Have the word boo down there. How super cute would that be? So I'm really happy with this bat die. I hope that you like it. Hope this was a quick and easy tutorial, easy for you to understand. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.